We have seen the facelifted i30N hatch several times, but this is the first sighting of the fastback version of the hotter N version of the Hyundai i30 spied testing in the green hell. And just like the i30N hatch, the fastback N will get a refreshed face with some new headlights, a new designed front bumper with differently shaped air intakes as well as a new grille. The same changes will be applied to the rear, with new rear light graphics and smaller changes to the rear bumper's design. As for the inside, looking at the recently updated Hyundai models, you can bet Hyundai will apply the same dual-screen curved glass system as well as the latest safety and tech features including on-demand features. But we are not sure as this time it will be just an update. It is difficult to know when Hyundai plans to release this facelift, but we don't expect it before summer 2024 in Europe and Australia. What do you expect for the updated i30N? And if you're still unsure if this really is the N version, you can see the bigger brakes with the red calipers, the matching wheels, and of course the big round exhaust pipes. Also, we see some red trim peeking out under the camo up front. So will the power level change? Today the N models are available with either 250 or 280 horsepower, PS. But since we are probably looking at the last generation of the ICE-powered i30N models, Hyundai could very well squeeze out a few more ponies. A debut could come in the first half of 2024.